Hello everyone, today I want to show you this demo board in which I have two types of electronic locks. At the top, setup number 4, is an electronic locking swing handle that seamlessly integrates with the SLC2 controller. We're going to proceed to connect to the lock through the Teleporte application and click on lock. As we can see, and here the lock has been opened.
Okay, I got it.
And we can proceed to close it again. Now, at the bottom, we have the setup number 3, a traffic cabinet deadbolt that seamlessly integrates with the SLC2 controller and can work with the AX5 controller too. We're going to proceed to connect to that lock. So we click setup number 3 and we wait until it's connected and we can click on lock. We can hear that the lock is open and we proceed to close it again. In that way can be locked.